All right, I'm in here in our little nursery area for the new and growing litters, but y'all loved the week 1 update of Ivy's litter, so make sure just to go back and check that one out once you're done with this one, and I'll card it here as well as the end of the video. But just make sure to go check that out if you want to see the stages of rabbits growing. I have a when they were born episode as well as a 1 week update, and we'll continue to do this on throughout their time up until about 8 weeks. All right, they have eyes open. Hi. Hello. They were all in the nest and I pulled them out to make sure all their eyes were doing good. Now they're actually checking things out. What are you doing? You're gonna sneak back in? They're still always really hesitant about being petted or anything like that at this age because they're still so like snack size, but it tends to wear off when they're closer to 3 weeks. These guys are not 2 weeks yet. They still got a couple more days to go. So I'm really happy with how quickly they've progressed. This guy's doing all right. Yeah, you don't mind head pettings? No? The other thing that I also have to watch for is that they don't end up, like she doesn't start weaning them, stop feeding them as much, and then they can't get out and can't get food. They'll hit 2 weeks in about 2 more days. So they're about 12 days now. I'll get a small cage cup that I feed the other ones out of and just offer them a little bit to see if they act like, oh, it seems like good, like we might eat that. And then I'll start offering them food in the nest box to see if they need it. If not, we won't leave too much in there, but just enough to make sure that they're not starving, right? Something that makes me wonder if they aren't getting out already and eating pellets is that I give Mama 1 of these, well, 1 1/4 of these normally, and she's running through 2 of them, and every time I come back out to feed, she's acting like she's starving. So I'm wondering if they aren't already getting out and getting pellets, which is very possible. They're plenty big enough to be able to be getting out on their own. But I see they're like, nah, maybe not. What is that? Ooh, do you like those? Ooh, you do. Yeah? Every time I come out here, get that, oh, you guys are not starving whatsoever.